the WLOTPO VO7 cordless vacuum. You're wondering, why is everyone buying this vacuum right now? And is it a good buy for you? So I actually just did product research this past week, and I made the decision to purchase it. I'm going to tell you why I did. And then hopefully that'll help you figure out, is this right for you? Couple of things I want to show you. Let me just zoom it down here. Not zoom it, but like angle it so you can get a vibe. So first of all, dude, look how compact this is. Now, this thing's super easy to use. Now, first thing I'll show you is I don't have this on the wall, but I'm just going to show you it. I don't really know where I'm going to put it yet, but I love how easy. Probably do it in the laundry room, but you just have a 3M stick there on the back, and you can actually stick this thing on the wall, and it'll just sit there for you. So that's really awesome. Here's the battery pack itself. All we do is we just plug it in. Boom. And now we're running, as you can hear. So that's how easy it is to get going. The thing I love about this is how versatile it is. I could use it to clean my car just by attaching this and using it in the car. I could also use it for, okay, here's what I like about it. You can use it in your house and also in your car without having to get a different one. So we could put this straight on there, use it in the cracks and crevices on the couch, in the car, or we can, oh, you know what? There's one more attachment I'll show you. You got this brush attachment as well. So you can easily just attach it here and make it just a very, short, kind of like small cordless vacuum, or you can attach the big arm that just allows you, wrong way, that just allows you to extend it out further. So that what we can do here is just attach that. And then let me just run it over here. And I'll show you. Oh, crap. Here we go. There we go. There we go. All right. And so you have a light on there, as you can see. This thing's already picking stuff up. Now, I will be honest with you. I just had the maid come. So my house is very clean. But I can hear it picking some stuff up. I love that there's like a light on there as well. And as you can see, dude, I just cleaned my house, and there's already more there. So basically, when it comes, so the operation is amazing. But when it comes down to why did I buy this specific vacuum, over 1,000 people per month are buying this right now. And then many of them are coming back and giving 4.5 to 5-star written reviews. So that's how I knew this was the one to go with. Like most people, I make my buying decisions on Amazon based on what other people have already done, because they're doing the beta research for me. They're going out and buying it before me. And then if it's good enough, they're actually taking time out of their stressful, busy lives to leave reviews saying why they like it. So they spent their money, and then they're happy they spent it. That lets me know I'm probably going to make a really good decision if I buy it. I bought it. The box it comes in, dude, it's just compact. I mean, this is just a really nice vacuum. I think you can use it for everything. I love how versatile it is. You're going to like it too, dude, straight up.